How to fix YouTube video quality not good. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube video quality not good. So guys, if your video quality is not good on YouTube, then I will show you how to fix the problem. So if you want to watch the video in a good quality, 1080p quality or 4K quality, then what you have to do is I will show you. Just watch the videos. So now what you have to do is, so guys, you can see here my quality is not that good. It's blurring, blur quality. So how you can fix the problem to see the HD quality? So now just click on the screen, on the ongoing video screen, and then you can see here an option, three dot option on the top right of your screen. After clicking the screen, you will find the option. So just click on the three dot, and then you can see here your quality option. So you'll find a quality option, so just click on the quality option and then you can select your quality here. So let me select 1080p. So wait for a second, and then the video quality will be in a HD quality. You can see here the video quality has been changed. So guys, this is how you can fix YouTube video quality not good problem. Thanks for watching.